just slowly working away that edge right there. I just get them from Amazon. I just get a pack. It usually has like 2 size blades with it. I'll have like big blades, little blades, and like a handle like this. There's a couple different ones to choose from. I just kind of went back and forth and settled on the ones with the big red handle. They seem to work pretty well. But I don't know the specific brand or anything like that. They're just off Amazon deburring tools. All right, y'all, make sure to check out my website. I'm gonna have to hop off of here to do my daddy duties in a minute, but I'll finish as much of this as I can. And I do invite y'all to check out my store. I make a bunch of different cool coins into rings by hand daily. So please check out the website if that sounds interesting to you. It's going to be buycoinrings.com, or you can tap the link on the screen down there. Take you right to my store. If you have any questions, let me know. So I've probably got 2 to 5 more minutes before I gotta hop off of here. So we'll see if we can finish this. Get what we can done. You want to see the beginning next? Oof. A really thick rim on this one. Keep cutting away at it. Let's go. You think this side looks better? I think they both look pretty cool, but I am liking the prayer side facing out. It's jumping more than I wanted to. It's right on the edge. Might have to just cut this away the old-fashioned way. Yeah, no doubt, man. I don't think I'll ever get bored. There's so many cool US coins to work on. If you guys haven't yet, make sure to hit the follow button. I broke 275,000 followers last night. It's pretty cool. Dang it. These letters are so close. Keeps catching and skipping. It's so close. Man, that sucks. Oh. There we go. That's pretty good. Not too bad, not too bad. Let's see. We're still about size 11. So we got 2 sizes to go down. I'm not scamming anybody. I'm just focused on what I'm doing. What did you ask? No need to be rude. How can I help you? What did you say? No scams here. I have 1,500 happy customers. Been making these 3.5 years straight. No problem. What are you even talking about? Oh, now you don't have anything to say? Are you gonna call me a scammer and then not say anything? What are you talking about? No, you're fine. It happens to the best of us. Find the next smallest one. That's too big. That should work. Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about. I'll just assume you're scamming people. Well, that's not a very nice assumption. Honestly, I don't appreciate it. Okay, well, I'll throw it off. Scamming people. What? What? That should be pretty close to what we're looking for. Oh, just shallow. Do a little resizing. Come on, paper. Shouldn't have to stretch it very much at all. Oh man, it is just a hair's breadth away. So very close. Perfection. Size 9. Give her the old-fashioned polish. And this one is pretty much done. Do I measure it from the top of the coin? I measure the, like the usually what I call the reeded edge. think that looks really cool. See, I'm a size 9. Let's try it on. God grant me the serenity. That's really nice. I don't know why I didn't do a prayer side out before. That's so cool. Yeah, I think he's really gonna like that. Solid, solid, solid. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope y'all have a great day. I'll hop over here and hang out with the kiddo. If anybody out there wants to check out my site, it's buycoinrings.com. And if you got a question, let me know right now, because I'm about to get out of here. So drop it in the chat. Let me know. How's it going, man? You just caught the tail end of it. Hey, I'm just leaving. We got our Serenity Prayer. Half-ounce fine silver round. Yeah, this one's pretty cool. I might have to make me one. I honestly really like the weight and the thickness of it. Usually rings this thick are pretty heavy. This one's really nice and light. And the details on the inside aren't uncomfortable at all. It feels like it's smooth. You can't even tell. Pretty looking ring. Yep. Y'all have a great day. Catch you next time. Peace.